Hello guys, I'm the owner of Go-Cars. So today we are going to see a video about unboxing of a RC Mini Cokecancar. So I bought this product from banggood.com and this car is very good and it comes in an Coke can. So we will unbox this product. So as you can see, this is the Rccar and it has 4 cones over here. And you need to remove this can in the car, and you can see you need to put the charge over here, and you have the charging cable over here, and there's no more mess anymore. First you need to put the batteries. So we have Duracell AAA battery of 1.5 volts. And you need to connect this over here and connect this over here where you can see the charging port. As you can see, it has a green light, and this green light will go off when the car is fully charged. So now let's wait for 3 minutes so that this car is fully charged. So until that, we'll see the Coke can, the cones over here. It has 4 cones nicely packed. There is 4. And you have a manual also over here, as you can see here. And you have the antenna in this can, and you can extend it till here. And we'll wait until this car is fully charged. Now the RC car is fully charged. So now we'll connect the antenna, and slowly and carefully. And we'll on the switch on button over here, and we'll drive this car now. Actually, this is a 27 mhz car, so it works properly and so good. It has front light and it has tail light when you go back, and if you press the front button, the front light will work and it can turn right and left. So now we'll drive this car. And it has a big antenna over here, as you can see, and you can play it with 4 cones over here. And it works for lots of time, but then you need to only charge this car for 3 minutes. So if you want to describe about this car, it has a scorpion picture in all the sides, and it's written 94, and it has very good lights, and you can also calibrate this, as if you do like this it can change, and if you change the other way it will work. So talking about the remote, it has 4 buttons: front, back, and right and left, and this red button will blink when you press these buttons. And you can extend the antenna, and you can decrease the size, and you can slide this car inside this, And this car is of a Nissan 370Z and has tail lights and front lights. And it has a spoiler also. And it has a very tiny number plate here. And it has a big antenna here. So until then, bye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. And please subscribe to my channel and like and share. Thank you.